Hi, I'm Dr. Aviva Gaskill, and I'm the Communication Mentor. I want to talk a little bit today about setting boundaries. Some of us are real people pleasers, and it can be really hard to set appropriate boundaries when we care so much about what other people think or other people's opinions. Um, so, the first thing is to just really get a sense of what are your limits. For everybody, those limits are different, and it's important for you to have a sense of what's okay for you and what's not okay. Just having a line drawn in the sand is important, even though oftentimes things don't necessarily follow that line or move so easily into one side or the other. It's important to have an understanding for yourself. What are your limits? Trust your gut. If you have a negative feeling about something or some part of you isn't sure, it doesn't quite feel right, try and hold off and maybe even try and check in with other people. One way of checking in with your gut is actually checking in with the people that care about you and seeing if it feels okay or not okay for them. Um, it's also important when you're trying to say no to try and do it without yelling as best you can. And try and start small and then get bigger. If you practice saying no to small things, it can really help when you have to do it with something that's much more challenging for you to say no to. Um, and saying no doesn't always have to mean just saying no. It can mean saying to someone, let me think that over, or can I get back to you on that at another time? So, these are just a few quick tips about setting boundaries for yourself. I hope you find them helpful. If you have any feedback for me, questions, or comments, feel free to email me at